Well, hello again, everyone, and welcome back to the English Circus. My name is Douglas, and today we're going to be taking a look at how we can use ed and ing adjectives. Are you confused about how to use these kinds of adjectives? Well, I hope today's lesson won't be too confusing. Okay, but there's really only two things you have to remember about using these kinds of adjectives, and that is that adjectives that end in ed describe how someone feels, and adjectives that end in ing describe something or someone. Okay, here's an example. This is Adam. Adam is bored. Adam's job is very boring. How does Adam feel? He feels bored. Is Adam's job interesting? No, his job is boring. Okay, so bored is how Adam feels, and boring describes his job. Here are three more examples. My cat is very excited. His new toy is very exciting. How does my cat feel? He feels excited. What kind of new toy does he have? He has an exciting new toy. Okay, here's another example. My mother was annoyed when I came home late. My mother is annoying when she waits up late for me. How did my mother feel? She was annoyed. What kind of mother do I have? I have an annoying mother. Okay, and one more example. My dog was frightened by the loud noise. The loud noise was very frightening. How did my dog feel? He was frightened. How was the loud noise? It was really frightening. Okay, but you do have to be careful because not all adjectives use this pattern. Okay, for example, I felt scared when I watched the movie, but the movie was very scary, not scaring. Okay, but here is a list of very common and popular adjectives that do use this pattern. Okay, well, that means it is quiz time. So please choose the correct word in each sentence. Okay, number one, that was the most excited or exciting movie I've ever seen. Okay, number two, I was so embarrassed or embarrassing when I forgot my teacher's name. Okay, number three, I was shocked or shocking when I found out I failed the test. Okay, number four, I couldn't eat that food. It was too disgusted or disgusting. Okay, number five, this is an interesting book, but the plot is a little confused or confusing. Okay, number six, I was frightened or frightening when I saw a strange man walking towards me in the dark. Okay, number seven, I'm going to bed now. I'm really tired or tiring. Okay, number eight, I was really puzzled or puzzling by the test question. Okay, number nine, wow, the end of that movie was really surprised or surprising. Okay, and the last question is, I was so disappointed or disappointing when I had to cancel my trip. Okay, there you go. Let's check our answers and see how we did. Number 1, that was the most exciting movie I've ever seen. Okay, exciting describes the movie. Okay, number 2, I was so embarrassed when I forgot my teacher's name. Okay, embarrassed describes my feeling. Okay, number 3, I was shocked when I found out I failed the test. Okay, again, that's describing my feeling. I was shocked. Number 4, I couldn't eat that food. It was too disgusting. Okay, disgusting describes the food. Okay, number 5, this is an interesting book, but the plot is a little confusing. Okay, confusing describes the plot of the book. Number 6, I was frightened when I saw a strange man walking towards me in the dark. Frightened is describing my feeling. Okay, number 7, I'm going to bed now. I'm really tired. Okay, tired describes how I feel. Number 8, I was really puzzled by the test question. Puzzled describes my feeling. Okay, number 9, wow, the end of that movie was really surprising. Surprising describes the end of the movie. And number 10, I was so disappointed when I had to cancel my trip. Disappointed describes my feeling. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time. So go ahead and click on the left if you'd like to watch more English Circus videos, or click on the right if you'd like to subscribe to the English Circus. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.